This is cute because it makes me feel like I have longer locks, you know? Because one thing about me is I'm not going to play with my length. And it's not going anywhere when you have this cap under. What I'm feeling right now is security. Okay? That's what we like, okay? Hey everybody, it's your girl Rebecca Joy. Welcome if you are new, and if you're returning, welcome back to my channel. Issalocstyle. Okay, a lot of you guys asked me the way I wrapped my hair because I did just post a picture on my Instagram of my head wrap. I will insert that here, and that's what we'll be doing in this video today. I will be showing you guys how I wrap my hair along with 2 extra hairstyles that can come out of the way that is already wrapped. So definitely stay tuned. Also check me out on my Instagram so you guys can know what I'm talking about. And let's get into this video. So what we're gonna need is our head wrap. This is a jersey knit material along with my favorite stocking cap. This really goes under the head wrap so that everything can just stay in place and look neat. And then at the end, we will be using these 2 sad little rubber bands. Hopefully you guys can see those, but stay tuned to see what we need this for. I always start these tutorials off with a bonnet on because I'm not gonna take off my bonnet if I'm going to, you know, take it off for the video. So most of the time, I don't know what is under this. I thought my hair would be a lot worse actually. I thought these rope twists were gonna last me longer, but no, it's definitely time to wash my hair, and it's also definitely time to take these rope twists down. So stay tuned for a couple videos. So right now, this is how it looks straight out the gates, okay? They look good. Some of my rubber bands have popped, but I think that's just because my hair, when it comes to rubber bands, it never really stays in for a long time, but at the same time, I could just tie it at the end. But yeah, let's get into it, y'all. Okay, so we're just gonna make sure our hair isn't behind our ears. We're just making sure everything is flat. Like I said, you are still going to see some texture because my hair isn't rope twist. Let me know if you guys want me to do a video with head wrap styles where my hair isn't in rope twist, but this is just great. I love those end of the weeks, like when you're just trying to stretch it, push it, you know. We're gonna start off with our head cap, our hair cap. And like I said, this is just to flatten everything, so you can go in under and comb through. I like to bend it up because the goal is also to not see this cap under your scarf. So we're gonna bend it up. We're also going to make sure it's above our ears. Make sure it's above our ears. Make sure it's above our ears. And just leave it like that. This really isn't anything more than just laying your hair down. What I really love is that you can pull your hair out before you put your scarf on, so that you're not doing that with your scarf and then adjusting your scarf where it's not necessary. But yeah, because one thing about me is I'm not gonna play with my length. You're gonna see it. Let me know if you guys have this problem as well. I'm always like having my shoulders up, so I feel like my hair literally bends up to fit where my shoulders are at because my locks are still like maturing and stuff, but they're getting better. I have to literally readjust them. Like I have to like readjust. But anyway, so we're going to get our scarf. Having a cap under your scarf really allows your scarf to sit well on your head, and it's not going anywhere when you have this cap under because of the material against the material. So we're just gonna, I like to have like a little bit extra, you know, in the front, and bend it up just for later. We're gonna go to the back and we're gonna tie it. Make sure to cover the scarf. You can either cover your ears, put them behind your ears, whatever you want, but this is how it should be. And then readjust where necessary. I'm just gonna go ahead and readjust. Clearly I like to have my hair laying flat and like against my face so that it frames it. Remember where you tied your scarf because you're going to need to insert this end into that hole. And I'll make that make sense, but let's figure out where that hole is, okay? And keep that in mind. So how I did it on my Instagram, and like I inserted in the beginning of the video, is I had one side of my head wrap just out, and then the other side was tied around. So we're just gonna tie one side. You can either pick this side or the other, but I like to do the left side. And the way that you're going to get a secure head wrap is inserting the end of this into the hole in the back. And that's what I wanted you guys to remember. Now let me show you. So like I said, okay, we're taking it from this side, we're wrapping it around, and what we're inserting, we're taking that hole and we're inserting. And we're making sure it comes out the other side so that you know that your head wrap is secure. Again, adjust accordingly. What I'm feeling right now is security, okay? That's what we like, okay? But we're not done. With this little leave out, what we're gonna do is we're gonna do it like a ponytail, okay? We're literally gonna take our leave out, open up this side, and put it under, in, and just wrap it around. So this is the hairstyle number one. This is how easy it is. So let's go to the next hairstyle. This is an addition to what we already have, but I am going to take this out. Just like for context, it definitely is giving Princess Leia vibes, you know? Yeah, so here we go. I'd love to know how this looks in the back because this is me attempting this hairstyle for the first time. So let's take a look together, shall we? Let's take a look-see. Okay, I have no idea if this looks cute in the back or not, but from the front, it looks good. So that's what we're worried about. So yeah, this is the first one, and let's get into the second one. Let me know if you guys try these styles out because I would love to see. But yes, this is the first one. All right, you guys, I am thinking of these hairstyles on the fly, which I love because it really helps me work my creative juices and thinking on the spot, coming up with solutions, blah, blah, blah. But what I do want to do is try a claw clip hairstyle with your head wrap because why not? I've been loving the black and green combo. It's just so cute. So with my black head wrap, what we're gonna do is we're gonna keep it in the same style that we have. We have it tied in the back. Like I said, when we tie it, it's gonna be on top of each other like this. And then we're gonna flip it up. And we're literally going to take the scarf material and clip. Okay, we're just gonna adjust to our liking, do what we want. Then we're gonna take it and then just fan out. Okay, so this is it. What do you guys think? I can't even see this for real, but what do you guys think? Do you guys think this is cute? I might wear this to work and see what the white folks say. Yeah, okay, this is the last hairstyle that I have for you guys in this video. But like this video to let me know if you guys want more of these tutorials. I love doing them because like I said, I'm always being creative, wanting to think on the fly. Just comment down below if you guys tried these hairstyles and tell me if you like them with or without a stocking cap because it really just definitely depends on the person. So yeah, let me know and also subscribe for more tutorials in the future. I love doing these for you guys and I hope that you guys enjoyed and took something from this. Definitely check me out on my Instagram at loc.styles. Q22. Y'all already know it will be on the screen and in the description down below. And I will see you guys in my next video. Bye. I wonder how this looks for real.